I went after this house hard.
Yeah.
This house was not for sale. I saw it from the year before on the internet. I was just searching up mid-century modern homes. And come on, we'll walk down here a little bit, Morgan, so you can see. You can show them out here. I just rode over here and I talked to the owner at the time. He said, oh yeah, I love my house too. And he was a flipper and a builder. And I said, well, I'm going to keep up with you. And for 4 years, I haunted that poor boy until I ground him down and he finally sold it to me.
She manifested this house.
I did.
Yes.
And then I'm not sure what I manifested. You know?
You got it. That's for sure.
I know. He probably went, phew, I'm leaving those problems with her. But so out front and up here, I wanted to show you, these are original. And these were just thrown out in the boiler room. And I was like, why didn't he ever hang those up?
Yeah.
And it's hard, again, with the electric thing. You can kind of see, so they had